So I've interned at Raven Industries, NASA Goddard Space Flight Center, and then I've also interned part-time at a few different places, Field View right here in Fargo and Bushel. So there's all sorts of things in the industry that you can do as a computer engineer. So I've gotten to try a real handful of things from like hardware design to now I'm working on web design, so building apps on websites, to really everything in between. Internships are a great way to learn. They give you a frame of reference of what you're going to be learning, and they also showed me the fact that what I was learning in class was going to be valuable, that I was going to be able to bring that back to a job. 3 of the 4 internship experiences I've had came from the career fair. So it was going to those career fairs with my resume and saying, I'm a computer engineer, I'm interested in learning what your company does and how you guys use computer engineers to make your products better. I'd say overall internships just made me realize how many opportunities are out there, that if one particular field isn't your interest, that there's 10 others that might suit you better. There's huge opportunities in the Fargo area with agriculture, biomedical technology, finance, aerospace is another big one. If you ask some of these bigger companies what they're doing, they'll tell you about some of the projects they're working on, and if it's something you're passionate about, it'll strike a chord with you, and that's kind of what'll help guide your direction. For me, I guess it's really shown the impact that technology is having on the agriculture industry. I grew up on a farm myself, so I saw our farm switch from having a dial-up internet connection to tractors that can drive themselves now. And that's all thanks to technology. That's work that computer engineers, software engineers, electrical engineers, that's all work that they did to create those products.